How to fix Snapchat common problems. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode and then go back and open the apps manager. On the apps manager right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is click on Snapchat, click on force stop, and then click on permissions, enable all the permissions, go back, click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back again, and this time all what you want to do next is click on the power usage details, click on the app launch and make sure that all these options are enabled, click OK, go back to the settings on your phone, turn off the airplane mode, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.